It's a bump, man. I love it. It's so good.
Oh my goodness, I also want to show you guys something.
If you guys had any times for facials today,
Self-care routine, I guess you could say. Good morning, you guys. It's 9:30 on Sunday. I decided I wanted to vlog again today because honestly, I just like enjoyed vlogging the other day, and I just like to watch vlogs more than I like to like watch like sit down videos. It's like I'm gonna do what I want to do. So we're just gonna be vlogging more. At one point today, I'm going to try and get a facial because my skin is so bad right now. So hopefully I can get in an appointment. They open at 10, so I have to call as soon as they open. And I have a bunch of homework to do. Probably do a little cleaning montage. I have to throw some laundry in right now, and I'm gonna use my air fryer. So stay tuned if you guys want to see how I use that. I haven't done a video on it yet, but I love this thing. And I'm gonna make some like chicken cutlets, so it'll be good. But I actually have to go get the chicken out of the freezer now before I forget. Oh my goodness, I also wanna show you guys something that I got the other day off of Etsy. This is my Apple Watch. I'm obsessed with my Apple Watch, by the way. I was just kind of like scrolling on Instagram and I found this ad for like refurbished, I guess you could say, Gucci bags turned into a Gucci watch. And it was like 50% off one day only on this random like Etsy site. So I looked and like all the reviews were good and everyone's like, I love this, like it's so cute, it works perfectly. So it was originally $70, which isn't that bad for like this much Gucci. It was 50% off, so I was like $35. I have to buy this. So I bought it and I've been wearing it and I'm obsessed with it. I'll link his shop below if you guys want to shop it. I highly recommend checking them out. They also have like a bunch of Louis ones too, but I liked the Gucci.
Wow, this lighting is so horrible. I'm so sorry. What do you guys think of Ariana's new album? I am obsessed with it. Break Up With Your Girlfriend is probably definitely my favorite. And then I like NASA, I like Needy, Bloodline, Bad Idea. I'm not a fan of, let's see, Fake Smile. Actually, no, Fake Smile is okay. I don't like Ghostin', not that much. I don't really like In My Head. But other than that, it's a bump, man. I love it. It's so good.
Thank you for calling Hannah's Building.
Hi, I was just wondering if you guys had any times for facials today?
Yes, we do. We have at 8 p.m. and at 9 p.m. for a facial.
8 p.m. and 9 p.m.? I'll take an 8 p.m. Oh my god, this lighting is horrendous! Anyway, it's about 11:30 now. I just had a killer workout, killed the stairs for 30 minutes, and then I lifted like really heavy. My upper body is like killing me right now. I'm gonna be like a noodle tomorrow. But yeah, I have a facial at 8, but Paul might come up and like I'm not really sure. I might cancel it. I feel like 8 is like so late on a Sunday night to get a facial, or I'm just like really boring and I go to bed early. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I need to shower. So I actually just, let me turn my volume down. I actually just called and canceled my facial or whatever. I'm kind of pissed because like today was like a good day to get one because I really don't have much to do. And tomorrow I have to work for like 8 hours and I'm like, I just want like a day of like relaxation. But it's okay because now I'm gonna take you guys along and show you like a DIY facial or something that I would normally do. Going downstairs. Oh my god, I almost should lock myself out. That would have been so bad. Welcome to my basement. It's pretty gross. My neighbor's laundry's in there. I feel like all like laundry rooms are like really scary. Not like scary, it's just like those spider webs and like dirt. And I hate coming down here. I hate doing my laundry because of this reason. And laundry is my least favorite chore in general. I want to like dust and like clean and do like a little cleaning montage in my room today. Oh my god, I should have washed my sheets. Shit. I want to vacuum and dust and do all that. I'm gonna shower now and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna spot treat. I just like wiped off my face with witch hazel. So I have my Mary Medusa drying lotion. I love this stuff. And I don't know why I'm breaking out. This is like a miracle worker. Like I swear by this stuff. And usually when I break out by my chin. So I'll do that and then I'll just kind of tell you guys what I do in the shower. And then I'm gonna put on a face mask and then I'm gonna put on a hair mask. So the face mask I have is Detox Time. It's actually from Victoria's Secret Pink. Kind of weird, I know, but this is like genuinely something I actually really like from their beauty line. And it's kind of like the only thing I've ever bought. And then I have this Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. This stuff is amazing. I got it in my FabFitFun box. I'm gonna do these moisturizing gel eye masks.
gonna whiten my teeth. So this is like my like self-care routine that I just kind of like to do on Sundays to make me feel refreshed and like ready for the week. My skin is nice, my body is like clean. So guys, I just took a shower, put on some eye things, and my face is breaking out so bad. Like I don't think I've broken out this bad since like high school. Also, I'm very red because I just like used a scrub brush to get like the rest of my self tanner off. I'm gonna self tan after this. I use Bondi Sands, this stuff, and it's the foaming one in ultra dark. Bondi Sands is amazing. I have like a little like referral code if you guys want to use that. It's in the description. Best self tanner in the world. And then if you live in the US, they actually recently just started selling their products in Walgreens, so that's really cool. You don't have to like order online from like Australia anymore. But for my face, I'm gonna take these off and I'm gonna put my Do It All eye cream on. I got this in my FabFitFun box too. It's very light, so like I don't have to like dab. I can literally just rub it right on. I'm gonna put on my vitamin C collagen serum. This stuff is great. It also is not like, it's not that moisturizing, but it also like doesn't make you greasy or anything. That's why I like it. Like in the summer, I'll just use this like as my moisturizer. So when it comes to self tanning my face, I do a little bit of cream, like just a tiny bit, and then like a little bit of, oh my god, this will just kind of like sit. It gets really red at first, as you guys can see, and then I'll finish it off with my Mary Meduso. So that's basically it for my like self-care routine, I guess you could say. So I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten yet, but I'm gonna go make some breakfast, and it's like 2 o'clock now, so it's like lunch. I have white chips in my teeth, so I can't really talk, but I just vacuumed and I'm gonna put away all of my laundry. So it is 3 o'clock now. I just finished up like 2 assignments. I also have an essay to write because I joined the class late, and the professor was basically just like, send me what you have by Sunday the 10th. So that's what's going on right now. I have to work on that. I started it. It's like basically done. Like it only has to be 800 words, but you have to connect it to like 2 different examples, and I already connected them to the examples, and the essay is like already at 950 words, and I didn't even connect it like to the movie yet, which is like the main part. So I'm like, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Like I literally just overwrite. I don't mind like writing or typing essays really at all. That stuff really just comes naturally to me. I have like a really good vocabulary when it comes to like writing things, so I just kind of get like caught in it, and I just keep going basically. Work like that, I could just bang it out like that, which is really good. Like it's a great skill to have, but now I'm like totally over like the word count. So yeah, I have to finish that. And then Paul is actually on his way up. He just got back from his snowboarding trip, and he'll be here in a little bit, and we're gonna cook dinner. Other than that, I'm just kind of chilling. This is my first weekend I spent alone, like by myself, without my boyfriend in a long time. But it was kind of nice to just like refresh and just have some alone time, which was nice, but I'm very excited to see him later. So I will vlog when he gets here. So it's almost 6 o'clock. I have my vlog literally completely edited. That's done. I was gonna do that tomorrow. And I'm getting a little bored. So I think I'm gonna start cooking. Paul was supposed to be here like hours ago, but there's been some technical difficulties. I'm just gonna cook and then just kind of have dinner ready when he gets here. We love to cook together, but that's not gonna happen tonight. So I'm watching Olivia Vargas's vlog right now. Love her. And I'm making some chicken cutlets. Like, don't even want to wait for Paul to get here to eat because it's already 6:30. And I'm hungry. Okay, so real quick, I just have to flip these. This goes in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. It's like halfway done. And then I'm having some black bean pasta, and then I'm cooking up Paul some regular pasta, and that's what we got going on. So guys, Paul's here. It's the next morning. We didn't end the vlog last night like I said I would. Paul, how was your chicken parm, babe?
Excellent. Wifey material.
Okay, well anyway, thanks for watching my vlog. I will see you guys in my next video.